Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials already. Install Notion and sign in. Once done, create a workspace and a single page called Daily Hub. Start with 3 blocks: a checkbox to do, a quick text note, and an inline calendar to capture time-bound tasks. Do this now because a minimal hub reduces decision friction and increases momentum. Make sure to enable sync and notifications so data stays current across devices. This prevents lost notes and lets you act faster when a task pops up. Once your hub exists, focus on repeatability. Create a template for recurring tasks with a checklist, tags, and a date property so you save time next use. Then, link projects to tasks using relations and a roll-up to calculate progress percentage. This shows why a project moves forward. Make saved views. Today, upcoming 7 days, and archived. Use filters to surface only what matters. This reduces clutter and lets you execute without reopening every page. Keeping your phone. To finish your setup, adopt a daily flow. Capture any new item immediately, tag and date it, then queue it into today or a project. Review your daily hub every morning, clear quick tasks, and update roll-ups so progress reflects reality. If something goes wrong, sync fails or pages won't load, force close Notion, switch your internet off and on, then reopen and pull to refresh the page. This often resolves conflicts quickly. If not, export the page as a backup before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.